In almost every industry, there's opportunities to leverage AI, to infuse it within what you're doing, to rethink processes, to rethink product design, to rethink marketing, to rethink finance, to rethink operations, and not just to be more efficient, but to truly transform how we're leveraging AI within our core business. That combination is powerful, and we're seeing it across the board, every industry, every function.
The artificial intelligence,
AI, the AI tech race.
AI technology is developing at a dizzying pace these days, even able to create almost anything.
When I think about how AI is changing our industry, I'm one to say that it will be quite radical. We have whole new teams being built, really centered around how we progress our journey in AI.
One of the worries is AI will take my job. Thinking about our jobs and the tasks within those jobs, they may change. It's changing the tasks of the jobs, but not the jobs themselves necessarily. But at the end of the day, the human's in control.
Huge prospects, a lot of opportunity for anybody with data science background. We use a lot of natural language processing, so any experience you can have with a large language model, if you can't necessarily code or work on it yourself, understanding the conversations, being able to translate, that's one of our biggest requirements, is being a translator between the true data science people and the more policy or qualitative based people.
The challenge ahead is, how do we bring the workforce along? How do we actually educate and train their skills along the way as AI continues to evolve faster than we've ever seen?
In my organization, as we think about building out an AI A-team, the first thing we care about is diversity. Diversity is so important as it relates to AI because we know that these models can produce bias and harm if not trained appropriately.
How do we invoke this within our organization in a safe and responsible way? We are really starting to see the ability to infuse the use of AI throughout almost everything we do. Our own internal tools to help us do our work more efficiently, but more importantly, being a higher quality output. And then thinking about our clients to create this enablement. Where can they put it into their process to make their products better, to get to a market faster, to expand to more markets?
For anyone that's considering joining the ranks of AI practitioners, my first charge is to run, don't walk. This is an incredible field in time and inflection point in our human history. And this is one of those ample opportunities we have to really shift and change and shape technology in ways that benefit not just us here today, but generations that come after us.